Hello guys, welcome back to Omoge Vlog TV. On today's video, we are focusing on list channels. Making money on list channel is one of the easiest things to do on a platform like this. I have about 5 YouTube channels, and most of these YouTube channels are doing well with list videos. They are new created channels, but I believe in 2 to 3 months, these channels are going to blow more than this channel. I'm teaching you how to make money on YouTube. How can you do this? List channels are channels. When I talk of list channel, this is what I mean. Videos, top 5 word discoveries, and on these channels you don't need to stress yourself. You might be thinking you don't have a good voice, or you cannot shoot a video, or you are shy of the camera. It is very possible to make money on this channel. And how can you do this? Just create a YouTube channel today. And creating this YouTube channel, you might not even understand how to create it. I will drop a link on there where this link will help you to make money on YouTube. I am not all on this platform. I'm a new person on this platform, but I make a lot of money on such videos. So now what you have to do, I will list out the various type of channels where you can go to certain channels and just upload these videos. And uploading list channel videos, don't upload the videos as you downloaded. It is prohibited. To avoid copyright, you have to transform the video to your own video. That is called creative comments, and creative comment videos are not punishable by YouTube. Looking down the laws that governs the YouTube team, you are not supposed to use somebody's video directly on your channel. It is not allowed. So today, look through this list of these channels that I'm going to outline here. You can start a channel today by uploading certain videos, and make sure that you should upload videos like the top 10 videos. Top 10 videos are videos where you take each clip recorded for 1 minute, meaning all the 10 videos on that top 10 list is 1 minute. It is very easy to create certain videos. If you don't have a voice, you can just type and describe what you were supposed to say if you don't have a good voice. Or you can also create or look for people with good voice. They record your videos like this, and you arrange with them the percentage they will have per video, or the money that you are going to make will be shared into a certain fraction. So it is possible. You can start today. It is not a matter of you being shy. Today you can start up. And another thing a lot of people confuse sometimes is like, I'm scared to use videos like this. No, like clickbanks and certain places, those are places you can advertise certain videos. When you upload, I drop a video on affirmations, how to make money with affirmations. That video, it was an example on how you can do to make money online. Dropping videos like this is just to encourage you, to tell you that what I'm doing, I'm actually making me money from certain videos. You just need to download the video and you upload on your channel. It is not a bad aspect. This is what we call creative comment. Creative comment videos are videos where you retransform them. Don't post the videos directly. If you post the video directly without changing anything on this video, it is punishable. I'm not actually teaching you a bad way. I am teaching you to use your brain to make money on this platform. A lot of people see this video, see how some videos perform more than the original videos. It is not punishable. The video will be registered under creative comments. You cannot be punished. So making money online is just to use your brain, follow the laws, don't violate YouTube laws. Like re-uploading a video directly violate the laws. When I talk of list channel, this is what I mean. Top 5 best. It has 722 videos with 4.5 million subscribers. Look, top 10 rarest dog breed. Top scariest pet people actually own. Another, we have the Supreme. The Supreme has 2.41 million subscribers. We have 15 most unique bats in the world. 15 times where the glass was almost not strong enough. 15 largest crocodiles in the world. 10 most mysterious creatures in the world. So with this channel, what you have to do here, go and download the video, re-edit the video using your own voice and add additional features on the video. I'm listing these channels so that you will be able to see some of the channels where you can download what you need for your own channel. They about 5 to 10 doing this, but on this video I'll outline just at around 3 to 4 which can help you to get certain videos. Now, Top Trading has 5.19 million subscribers. We have top 15 most viewed shows on Netflix 2019, 10 largest abandoned cities in the world, 10 most evil humans to have ever lived, top 20 music 2020 to 2021, top 20 topics, top shocking moment caught on camera. We have top 5 unknown, 1.9 million subscribers, 5 civilizations that vanished within a trace. These were their last vacation before they vanished. 15 scrapers, lost tapes which were found. These scariest videos have creepy backstories. These people were caught by appearing on TV shows. 5 strongest unexplained. These photographs have scary, there are just a lot of these videos on certain channels. So what you need to do now is just to download them. Next we have Origin Explained with 3.0 million subscribers. Top most mysterious secret tunnel recently discovered. Most bizarre looking animal eggs in the world. Most mysterious artifacts. What will happen if oxygen disappeared? Craziest things ancient Romans did. 10 most mysterious discoveries. Most mysterious mystical sounds. There are just a lot of these videos also on this site. Origin Explained upload videos daily, so you can easily visit this YouTube channel to get your own videos. Don't you go to channels that they are still growing. Big channels like this don't have time, they just upload their videos.
So many natural whole food options. I love the fact I have so many natural whole food options.